Hello, I'm Ed at Van's Aircraft, and today we're going to be talking about how to install fittings into an oil cooler. These are tapered pipe threads, so as they go in, they wedge to a halt, and it requires a sealant. Some people use tape, and we say don't use tape. It's too easy to get a little bit folded over, or a little piece can break off and clog up some of the small passages that are in the oil system. So just avoid tape and use a sealant. We have Loctite 565 here that has a lower strength so that the fitting can be removed if it ever needs to come out. And the way to apply it is on the pipe thread, staying away from you don't want to get sealant inside the system either, so avoid that first thread and work your way around with a generous bead. And go back and press it deep into the thread all the way around so you have a consistent bead in there. And then having already looked at the plans and made a mark there for the clocking as shown, we will start threading this in. You can see a nice squeeze out consistently all the way around. Then you'll be able to bring that in by hand, and that's nice. It stopped by hand right in the alignment we want. Then you grab your wrench, and you don't want to just crank around on here. You can see the hex boss here is designed for a backup wrench so you don't overload the other brazed seams in your cooler. So go ahead and put the backup wrench on there and do all of your working between the two wrenches. Bring it around. And that is feeling really good as it comes into alignment with our 15-degree offset for the plans. And you can come back and wipe off any excess here if you would like, but that's going to be just fine. After you put the cooler in service, you'll want to just double check there are no leaks there. Also, there is a lot of confusion that I've seen about the tapered portion of the fitting. There's no need to put sealant on these threads or this face. Because of the wedging of the B-nut as it torques down, it's a metal-to-metal contact. The pressures are high enough that it seals without any need for any sealant. Thanks for watching.